Okay, it is now 1:20 on Friday. I think it's the 15th of September. I managed to secure these for $10 a pack of 13, which is borrowing 3 panels for now because I haven't got enough zip tie. I ran out of zip ties. So as you can see, this whole entire level is being held up, and plus I haven't removed the final 3 that would give me the border for this level, but it won't get pushed off or anything because I don't really frequent this area. I have 1 panel left, so I basically need to borrow 4 more panels, and I'm actually short 1 panel, but I figured I would just have it go up to here and all along the back, and it can't really fall off. But ideally I should buy 1 more panel and zip tie it to the center. Well, ideally, actually, I should actually have 1 more full pack and make this a 2x3 going upwards. But that way it would only extend this much, would be sticking out. So basically, I should have the shelf going this way and then half of that. So I basically eventually will, but I wanted to borrow the side panels because I didn't want to buy so many panels. So I got them for $10 each pack. So usually it's like $18 a pack. So I saved about $16, $17. So basically I saved 1 pack worth. I basically got 2 packs for the price of 1. The only thing I wanted to mention is, as you can see, Sniffle's bin looks really weird. He had an accident. He's okay. Luckily, my baby is okay, but he is going to get a bin cleaning, and I might as well just do everyone else's. I was going to do him tomorrow, but that's what happened. I put him on here with the bin sticking on the side, but I guess he was playing inside. He was moving, and I guess it just slipped. It was off balance, and it flipped, and he landed over here. He was in the bedding, but luckily he's okay. So I'm just going to go pick that all up and then just vac it. It's okay, nothing's wet or anything because it's a water bottle, but he had quite a scare because he woke up. He had a very rude awakening, you know. He was sleeping in his igloo or whatever he was doing, and all of a sudden the thing just flipped on its side, but it fell off of this thing, which is about almost, I would say almost about 3 feet in the air going down. I don't actually know how he fell down because my back was towards him. I was actually sitting right here with my back towards the thing. But as you can see now, the reason I did this is because now I can put the Robos back in the, I haven't done it yet. They're in the hallway, but those 2 will be the Robos bin. Since the Robos don't care for my presence, I'm going to keep them near the bottom, so I don't have to access them as much. Whereas the middle 2 are the ones that sort of don't mind my presence but don't really care for it. And then the ones on top are the ones that like my presence. They actually don't mind being petted, so I put them on the top. And I don't plan to put anything on top. I don't plan to put any more grids on top. Ideally, I really should do it with a center panel, which would allow this to slide. Right now, it's caved a tiny bit, and it's being supported by these 2. Luckily, it's a 14-inch panel, and this thing is about almost 13.5-inch high, so it's just perfect, and the bottom too. But if I took the bottom out, this thing would kind of go down a bit, and it would be hard. So I'll have to hold it up in order to slide the bins in, but once it's in, it's great. So I am really looking forward to eventually being able to afford enough panels to finish this, but in the meantime, this is great. So if you look at it from this point of view, I have my babies going from this side just all the way across, and it looks so tidy. And I moved the bin here, and this part I haven't figured out what I'm gonna do with it yet, but isn't that not much nicer? And the HEPA will be blowing at me instead of at the hamsters now. And eventually I will be giving all those away and this stuff too. So it really doesn't matter. So I kind of just planned it backwards. I backed the stuff out of my room that I don't want. And the stuff I want is in my room. And it's really nice. It's really tidy. For now, these things probably will go under there because I don't need them yet. And I don't use the bottom shelf, right? Yeah. It was either that or clipping, and I ran out of zip ties. So everything on the second level and up, except for the bottom level, has only 1 zip tie at the center of these ones. And this part I took from the bottom. So these ones are double zipped here on this level, this first set of 3. But there's only 1 zip tie on the edges, and no zip ties all around the edges of this top level. And then here I think there's 2 zip ties, 2 zip ties, 2 zip ties. But on the bottom level it's 3. I should have done the math before I did it, but I kind of knew I was going to run out. But I would have used those, but they don't work, you know. So I had those, but I have a whole bag of them in the back. But yeah, so basically it's being held up by these binder clips, but it's doing a really good job considering I have like every single connection has one of these, and I have like a whole bag full, right? Like I still have more, so I don't think I'm going to have any problems. So yeah, that's what I did. Better not put those there. So yeah, I'm just going to go now and clean up, and then I'm going to do all their bins. I'm going to clean all their bins, I think. No, I'm just going to do Sniff's. Sniff will be one day ahead. Maybe I'll do all of them, I don't know. I just did the laundry, but the laundry's kind of damp, so maybe I'll just fix his bin. But it's really hard to fix it once the food's all over the bedding and everything. But I guess he could put up with it for a day. But I have to redo his bin because it's a mess. So I'm going to take him out, put him in a holding pen, and just fix it all up. I've checked, and it makes it so easy to check everyone's water bottle, providing they're not sitting there ready to bite me, which is why I needed it to slide up. But like, I can just go like this. I can just go like this. So that's really good. I might end up moving the food dish onto this side just so I can monitor their eating. The thing is, when they dig, it makes it really hard to avoid the food flying into this area where the water bottle is. But on the whole, it's really good. I'm really happy with it. I can't believe it. And there's only one zip tie here. And then, hold on. There's one here. And there's one way down right there. But that's not the center one. That's the one that's at the end, because that's the end of the grid right there. So this is the one. There should be one right about here, but there isn't. And then there's the one right here. So yeah. Everybody over there is okay too. I'll show you guys them later. Right now I want to get Sniff's bin ready because I'm really upset about that. I really want to fix his bin. He's got no treats because it's all over his bin, so I'm going to just fix it. Okay, later guys.